So I'm assuming they're gonna be underneath. Oh my, okay. Hey, what up guys, Babs20Bags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this one today. First, because the box is huge and it's taking up most of the shot on the DSLR. Although, as you can tell, UPS dropped it off at my front door already open like this. So when I first saw it, I was like freaking out because I thought that somebody had stolen the shoes. Fortunately, they didn't, and I guess they just threw the boxes. Nobody, like, as you can, I don't know if you can tell over here on the shot, but the tape isn't even cut over here in the middle. I guess they just didn't tape this other flap correctly. But anyway, so today we have the Jordan 33, and I'm not sure on the name. On Gold it said it was Future of Flight, but on sneakers it says it's Future Flight. But I did not get these from Nike. They actually sold out. Anyways, I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods, and the Jordan 33 does retail for, ooh, I just noticed this box, man. Okay, the shoe box, ooh, engineered for flight, kind of cut off. Okay, now I'm excited. I really like this colorway. Like I was saying, they sold out when they first released on the original release date on sneakers and then on a bunch of websites, but then I grabbed this one from a restock at Dick's. Alright, there you go. So my DSLR didn't want to focus, but yeah, super interesting box. You got the Jordan Jumpman logo, dead center, and like a circle over here in the middle as well. Once again, engineered for flight, kind of cut off by the lid, or actually it's part of the lid and then it's cut off by the other part of the box. On the sides, you got a reflective Jumpman logo and then more engineered for, oh. Yo, hold up. I thought it was just like a piece of paper hanging from here, but this is like actual material. This is actually some textile stuff right here. What? Hanging from the box. I'm trying to pull it to see if it's gonna do something special, but it doesn't seem like it. And that's on both the sides, but then you also have the size and the men's size and then also women's size. Man, I like the box. I'm loving the box so far. I don't understand the point of this though, of the circle. But usually when Nike boxes or Jordan boxes come with this one, is so you can pull it. But this one you gotta lift up. So let's go ahead and see. Oh! Yo, what? Oh! Oh, look! Oh my God! Okay. But yeah, so on the bottom or on the inside of the lid, you got another Jumpman logo, and then you also get this little card. Nothing in the back, but in the front it tells you about the pull to tighten or the system that comes within the shoe or in the shoe, so you can adjust the sneakers to your feet. And I also love the whole like flight, you know, NASA space type thing, you know, the silver reflective paper. Even the paper goes, look at this paper, this aluminum type thing, more AJ33 God, can you even see that? I feel like the light is crazy. Okay, AJ33, designed and engineered to the exact specifications for flight. Okay, so the shoes are actually not underneath this layer. So I'm assuming they're gonna be underneath. Oh! Oh my, okay. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, are you seeing this? There is no laces on these. I thought there was. Oh, look at that bottom. Is that like a... What is that, bro? I love that detail over here. That center of the shoe. It reminds me like the system within a watch. All the mechanics within a watch. That's what the stuff behind this glossy or transparent or plasticky thing reminds me of. All right, so where do I start, man? So I think the most noticeable detail is gonna be the Jumpman logo right here in the tongue, or the front part of the tongue, because there's like, there's this slip-on tongue, I don't even know, okay, there you go, this is the slip-on tongue, and then this is like the other part of the tongue, if that makes any type of sense. But yeah, gold Jumpman logo right here in the front of the shoe. Then you do have the pull strap that we were talking about when we saw that car at the beginning. So you would pull this, and this how it's gonna adjust to your feet. But then to release it, you would pull this. So I guess I'm just gonna keep moving down towards the toe box. We do have a Jumpman logo once again with this gold touch, gold circle over here closer to the toe box. And that golden circle sits on this piece of material with a little bit of pores. And then as we keep making our way around the inside, you have the eject, or you have eject written over here with the arrow pointing towards this thing that ejects. The strap that adjusts, that makes the shoe adjust to your feet. Closer towards the collar, you have a Velcro strap that it's also for adjusting purposes, of course, that says AJ33 designed and engineered to the exact specifications for flight. Once again, they're really going with that flight futuristic take on these sneakers. So going towards the heel area, you're gonna have Nike Air branding, just like in most of, or in a lot of Jordan brand shoes. And then right above that, you have the heel loop, I'm assuming that's what we can call this, with a pattern, a line pattern drawn on it, which I don't know exactly what it means, but it's also found over here in the tongue loop. Then also over here in the back of the shoe, you got more gold details on this part of the collar. But you do have these really thin pieces of string coming out of both the sides. I'm guessing these are what you're pulling, right? Yeah. So when you pull this, you're pulling on these little strings that are kind of serving as a lacing system. Once again, I already kind of mentioned most of the details for the outsole. So you have a transparent bluish outsole with this gold Jumpman logo, the whole transparent plastic piece, and then the components that look like, that remind me of a watch, right below that gold Jumpman logo. Oh, actually, whoa! So this is actually the mechanics of the shoe. You can see the string going through there. What? Wait, so if I pull it, can I see that pulling? No, I don't see that. Wait, hold up. But if I pull this, oh! So when you pull this, you're gonna pull that string showing on this detail over here at the bottom. So like I said, this reminded me of the mechanics of a watch. This is actually the mechanics of the shoe. Who comes up with this shit, man? Straight up. Alright, but now let's go ahead and take a look at the insole, which you're gonna have just a blacked out Jumpman logo contrasting from the red insole, oh, right there. But then over here on the inside of the tongue, you have AJ33 written once again. Well, yeah, pretty crazy shoe. I didn't know it was gonna have that much to it. I thought it was, you know, it's just the next Jordan model. But no, they actually went super hard with this one and did way more than I was expecting. What's weighing super heavy on my mind is that if I pull this, it's gonna be too tight, and if I pull this, it's gonna be too loose. So how comfortable is that gonna make it? Alright guys, so I'm doing this after shooting the on-feet look. I do gotta mention that when I first tried them on, they were super tight, and I found out that this is the best way that they fit for me. So first what I do is I actually pull this tab, or the tongue loop that I mentioned in the video. I actually pull it because this helped a lot somehow to help with loosening up the shoe. And then I go to the Velcro strap to secure the ankle, and I don't touch the system at all. If anything, I pull it a little bit more, or I release it a little bit more, because otherwise the shoe's still gonna be super tight. Again, I understand that they're performance shoes mostly, so you wanna lock those ankles in, you don't wanna get hurt while you're on the court, but they were, again, incredibly tight when I first put them on. Again, the Velcro strap, and then loosen up a little bit. This is how I found out it was better for me to do it. So if you guys get the shoes and you figure out that they're super tight, go ahead and give this a try, and if not, I would recommend going half a size or even a full size up. But anyways, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But anyways, once again, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags out.